Hi everyone, welcome back. Now if you want to impress your vegetarian guests, you should make this dal. It tastes like restaurant made when you have made it at home with very less effort. Let's start. Come on.
Here we have 3 types of lentils. When mixed together will make a flavorful side dish. Wash these and soak them in water for 30 minutes and allow to hydrate. Keep it aside and we'll go ahead with the next step. In the meanwhile, we'll make the green masala paste. You can adjust the quantities of green chilies as per spiciness you like. I would like to thank everyone for your love and support. Keep it coming. We will dry grind these first without water. Now just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and grind to make a coarse paste. This is how the final consistency should be. There will be some unbroken pieces of the spices, which is okay. Now let's cook the dal. Now add turmeric, asafetida and chopped tomatoes to the hydrated dals, mix and bring to a boil. Cook these dals until soft. It may take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. We don't want the dals to be completely mushed. That's why I'm avoiding cooking them in pressure cooker. This is what we are looking for. Add salt as per your taste and lower the temperature. Let's make the tempering. Now I have added ghee to the oil to give a lovely flavor. Once the mustard seeds crackle, we will add asafetida and the masala paste. Now saute for 30 seconds on medium flame just for the raw flavor to go off. Here I have a medium-sized red pepper chopped finely. This will give an awesome flavor to the dal when cooked. We are going to cook this until the oil separates. Pour the cooked dals over this and mix well. The detailed recipe is in the description box below, so do check it out. We will cover and cook for just a few minutes on medium flame for the flavors to integrate. This dal is on the thicker side, but you can adjust the consistency by adding hot water if needed. Now for the final garnishing, and we are ready to serve this awesome flavorful dal with some fresh steamed rice. Enjoy!
Now here's the deal. If you and your guests like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and tell them to subscribe. Bye!